The Science of Hiccups. Written by Kate Foley. Focus question. What are hiccups and why do we get them? Words to know. Cure, diaphragm, distract, mammal, signals, spasm. Hiccup help. You just finished lunch and hic! Ooh, oh, you drank a fizzy drink and now hic! You have the hiccups. Your friends try to help. Hold your breath, says one. Drink a glass of water upside down, suggests another. We have a spelling quiz today, shouts a third. What? You ask. Not really. Your friend tells you, I was just trying to scare the hiccups away. You try a few tricks, but nothing works. Eventually the hiccups go away on their own. Usually hiccups are no big deal, and they come and go quickly. However, many people are curious about hiccups. Some have been trying for years to understand hiccups. They want to know what hiccups are, where they come from, and how to get rid of them. Do you know, some people are unlucky enough to have hiccups for months or even years. Jack O'Leary made headlines in 1956 when his hiccups ended after 8 years. By that time, he had received more than 100,000 letters from people around the country suggesting cures. What are hiccups? A hiccup is a muscle spasm or twitch. The muscle that twitches is called the diaphragm. You use your diaphragm to breathe. Your diaphragm sits below your lungs and stretches across the bottom of your ribcage. Nerves carry signals from your brain to your diaphragm. You breathe in. Your brain tells the diaphragm to tighten. When your diaphragm tightens, it moves downward, which pulls air into your lungs. When your brain tells your diaphragm to relax again, the muscle moves up to push air back out of lungs. During a hiccup, your brain sends a signal to your diaphragm to suddenly jerk downward. Your diaphragm pulls a quick gasp of air into your lungs and flaps in your throat slams shut. That is why you make a sudden hic sound. Hiccups get their name from this sound. The spasm can be strong enough to make your whole body jerk. Sometimes, if you have a full stomach, it can even be painful. However, hiccups are not harmful. Take a breath. Have you ever heard of getting the wind knocked out of you? Your diaphragm is involved when this happens, too. If you get hit hard in the chest or back, your diaphragm can spasm for a few seconds. The spasm makes it hard to breathe. Soon, your diaphragm relaxes and you can breathe again. What causes hiccups? Hiccups can seem to start for no reason. They might happen when you eat too much or too quickly. Many people get them from eating spicy foods or having fizzy drinks. We know some things about when people might get hiccups. However, we do not know exactly why people get them. Hiccups seem to have no purpose. Scientists have come up with a few theories or ideas that scientists have found that other animals get hiccups too. Most that do are mammals. Mammals are animals that drink milk from their mother when they are young. Hiccups are more common in baby mammals, which could be a clue. Baby mammals, including baby humans, need help burping. A burp is how the body gets rid of extra air in the stomach. It can be hard for babies to burp while drinking their mother's milk. Hiccups may be a way for young mammals to burp. Scientists got another idea from looking at amphibians. These animals include frogs, which breathe water when they are young and air when they are adults. At one stage of growth, amphibians have two different ways of breathing. They can use their lungs to breathe air, or they can breathe water through gills. Do you know, babies can even hiccup before they are born. Scientists think it happens as a baby's lungs, diaphragm, and nerves develop and begin working. When they breathe water, their brain has to send a signal so they don't breathe water into their lungs. This is similar to the signal the human brain sends during the hiccup. Hiccups may be a sign that the brain is reminding itself how to breathe correctly. Scientists have not yet proven either of these theories. We may never know exactly what hiccups are for. They may not even have a real purpose. Maybe they are simply an odd accident in our bodies. How do I get rid of hiccups? Getting rid of hiccups is another mystery. Everyone seems to have his or her own hiccup cure. Sometimes they work and sometimes they don't. A hiccup cure that seems to work last week may not work today. No one has found a cure that works all the time for everyone. However, the most common cures have a few things in common. Some cures change your breathing pattern. For example, you might hold your breath or breathe into a paper bag. These methods build up a gas called carbon dioxide in your body. When you have too much carbon dioxide, your body works harder to breathe it out. Your brain tells the diaphragm to relax so it can get rid of the carbon dioxide. Other cures distract you. You might try a tricky task like drinking water from the opposite side of the glass. When you try to breathe or swallow in a different way, the signals between your brain and diaphragm may get confused. Your body may forget the hiccup while it tries to do the task. Getting scared works the same way. You get distracted from hiccups. This kind of hiccups cure may not work forever. Your body learns how to do the tricky task or doesn't get scared so easily. It becomes harder to distract your brain. Unsolved mystery. Hiccups are harmless, but they can be annoying. People have always gotten hiccups, but they are still a scientific mystery. Maybe one day you will be the one to solve the mystery and discover the cure.